All right, good evening, explorers, and welcome to science. As you all know, we started a new unit on ecosystems. And yesterday, we focused on the flow of energy in an ecosystem, and we introduced some new vocabulary. So let's kind of test your knowledge, see if you were paying attention yesterday. Who can tell me where our primary source of energy comes from? The sun. Awesome. 1 point for you all. Okay, next question. What is the source that releases carbon dioxide or CO2 into the air and provides energy to animals? Producer. Awesome job. Next, what is the name for an animal that only eats plants? An herbivore. What was the vocabulary word that I introduced yesterday? A primary consumer. Okay, awesome job. 3 for you all. Let's see if we can keep it up. What is the name of an animal that preys on other animals? Carnivore. Awesome job. But what was the term that I used yesterday? A secondary consumer. All right, last one. Let's see if you can get a full house. What is the name for a bacteria that breaks down waste? A decomposer. Okay, awesome job. You guys were really on it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Awesome. So today, we are going to focus on the different kinds of ecosystems. But in order to do that, let's first define what an ecosystem is. Everyone take out your science notebook, and we are going to write the term ecosystems on there and write this down. This is our definition. An ecosystem is a large community of living and non-living things in a particular area. And down here I have, for example, plants and animals. Go ahead and write that down in your notebook. When you are done, go ahead and touch your nose. Okay, we are almost all there. So that is an ecosystem. Let's look at the different types of ecosystems that we have. So, on the board, you see 6 different kinds of ecosystems. And I want you to just take a moment to think of what you notice, what you wonder. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to think of that, and then I'm going to call on some people to tell me what they think and what they notice and what they wonder. Okay, who's ready to share? Go ahead. What do you notice? What do you wonder? You see trees. Yes, trees. What else do we see? You see animals. Someone says it looks hot. Yeah, it does look hot. What about cold? It may look cold too, so we have some temperature going on there. Awesome. We have water. Good observation. Does anyone wonder anything? What do we wonder? Where are the animals? Yeah, this picture up here at the top is the only one that actually has animals. So yeah, where are the animals? Good question. Anything else? What do we notice? What do we see? What do we wonder? Okay, awesome job. You guys have done great. This list looks amazing. So I want to introduce to you the project that we are going to do regarding our ecosystems. So you are going to create your own ecosystem. I know, right? Awesome. You will choose from one of the ecosystems that you are most interested in, and you're going to put together your own ecosystem in a box. And I have an example for you. Here is an example from last year. I think this is a forest ecosystem. We have some mountains. We have people. You're going to include the different levels of energy sources that we have. We have the animals, some water, and some rocks and trees, and animals, other animals and plants and things of sorts. So you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to pick an ecosystem to focus on. You're going to discover the different plants and animals and carnivores and herbivores and decomposers and producers that they have in their ecosystem, and you're going to put it together. You're going to model an ecosystem in a box. Does anyone have any questions? Awesome.